inspired by Qatar. So it's not what we call science, right? But in any case, many airports around the world they look the same, but public car can make it unique. So we're here with this. It's a tribute to the work that Rota has been doing in Qatar so far, right? I mean, you can identify elements here. Some people they ask why is this 2 plus 1 makes 9. He just wanted to represent the kids playing, but it doesn't make. Country, right? Then this is connected to, you will see after because we're going to be walking around, but this is connected to the traffic in the airport and how people from everywhere in the world in a single place we converge. And there are many different routes that from this point of view you can see almost a perfect rose or a geometrical shape, but you will see, and this is one of the amazing things about this work, is that it's placed in a way that you can walk 360 degrees. And you will see that we are going to walk surrounding the sculpture. You will see how the shape changes radically as we walk through. Flying Man sculpture B, A is on the other side. It's, the artist is Di Al-Asawi. I don't know if you know him, but he's a very famous artist. He had this retrospective in Al Reward a few years ago, and he has a lot of artistic production here in Qatar. As you can see, it's a massive column of 17 meters high, bronze. I don't know the weight. And then on top there is next time it's gonna be all about weights. Don't worry. You can try it. And on top you have an aluminum figure that represents, same than the other one, the moment of flying history in the Arabic culture. So in this case, is the gentleman there is called bin Firmas, and back in the 600s, back in the Al-Andalus in Spain, he climbed to the top of the mosque of Córdoba, and he created that device, that flying device, and in front of everyone, he said, "I'm going to fly."
An Italian artist. It's called Untitled. However, his work is often talking about the passage of time. And you can see that the signatures are by those who built Hamad International Airport. So these are the signatures of those who actually built the airport itself. And you can go around and see all of these different signatures. And we really wanted to honor their presence here and their hard work and actually building the airport. So this is why we decided to participation and getting everyone else involved and really honoring other people. So this is the way in which he's created this public art piece. This is actually 24 karat gold as well. And you can see that we have this barrier here, and that is because people were peeling off the gold itself.
You cannot believe them. It's gold leaf.
Yes, it's gold leaf, exactly. So because people were peeling them off, this is why we have a barrier. You notice all the other public artworks we've gone, they did not have such a barrier.